day, my friends. Let's learn something new today. Okay, let's have a look at today's lesson. Mastering I've done versus I did. Welcome. Today we will explore present perfect and past simple tense. These tenses describe the past. However, they have different meanings. Let's discover how to use them correctly. And once again, it's made by Alfred Krobler. Okay, let's have a look at the core difference between the present perfect. Connects the past to now. It focuses on result or relevance, where the past simple talks about finished actions, focuses on completed action. Okay, let's first look at the present perfect. I have done. The form have or has plus a past participle. Then 2, experiences. I have seen that movie. And of course, actions. She has finished her work. Okay, now let's have a look at the past simple. I did. The form is a verb past simple form. That's it. It's finished actions. I saw that movie last week. And then of course, a definite time. She finished her work yesterday. Okay, let's going to have a look at some time markers, a key to choosing. Present perfect, unspecified time. The past simple, a specified time. And then of course, context is crucial. Great, I think it's time to maybe practice, choose a correct tense, right? To practice something that you have learned so far today. There are only 2 examples over here, so I'm not going to give you the first one this time around. And like always, I think pause the video and answer the 2 little examples over here. And once you've answered them, continue watching to see if you've had it correct or not. Right? It's just 2 simple little examples over here, guys. You're not sure, just rewind the video a little, watch it again, and you will see exactly on how to answer it.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay, let's have a look at the answers. Check your answers, guys. The first one is visited. They visited Paris last year. And then the present perfect, they have visited Paris. Right? As simple as that. Please check your answers, guys. If you didn't have them correct, please page back or rewind the video and watch the video again. Okay, now that you know how to do it, let's have a look at some more questions, right? Put the verb in the present perfect or the past tense. Once again, guys, in your notebooks, like always, pause the video, answer all the questions in your notebooks, and only once you have finished answering them, continue watching to check your answers. And I think like normal, let me give you the first one. Right, my friend is a writer. He has written many books. Okay, now you answer the rest. Pause the video, answer it, and once you finish answering, we can check your work.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay, I assume that you have paused the video and you have completed all the work in your notebook. Let's go up and let's check your answers. The first one was given to you, has written. Number 2, we didn't have a holiday last year. Number 3, what time did you go to bed last night? Number 4, Jane travels a lot. She has visited many countries. Number 5, what's Spain like? I don't know. I haven't been there. Number 6, John, have you ever been to England? Jane answers, yes, we went there last year. John, did you have a good time? Jane answers once again, yes, it was great. So guys, like always, if you've had them all correct, give yourself a big pat, go out, buy your favorite drink and favorite snack, sit down, relax and enjoy the moment. Praise yourself for doing well. If you didn't, please rewind the video and watch it again and see where you have made your mistakes. Okay, I assume that you're in a hurry to go and have your favorite drink. So let's speed things up here quickly. All right. Story 1, fill in the blanks. Story 2, use the correct form, right, between I have, present perfect, and I did, past. Story 3, present perfect or past simple, whichever. Use the correct form of the verb. Decide whether to use present perfect or past simple based on the context clues, right? If you're not sure exactly what this means, guys, I think you must just go back through the video and you will find exactly what I'm talking about. Okay. As always, key takeaways. When we reach the end of the lesson, we have a look back to see what have we gained from doing this lesson and have we reached our objective. Number 1 is the present perfect, links past to present. This is, like I've told you guys many times already, it's like a bridge between the past and the present. 2, past simple, finished actions in the past. Actions that have been happened in the past, they are done, they're completed, it's over and finished. And of course, context is crucial for the correct usage. Rather, you must look at the context to see if you're going to be using the past simple or the present perfect. It's exactly what I told you in the previous slide. If you're not sure, guys, I'm not going to tell you here again. Rather go through the video, watch the video again and make sure, because I'll just tell you now again, you'll forget it once again. So that is why it's better. Go back to the video, watch the complete video, and it'll become a lot simpler for you. And of course, practice is key to mastering these tenses. Keep learning and exploring your English. The more you use it, the better you will become. Now guys, I know you had all your answers correctly. You're in a hurry to go and buy yourself a coffee, and while you're at it, buy me a cup of coffee too.